Hi and welcome guys. In this new video I will show you something very important that helps to draw with precision, and it will be difficult to draw in AutoCAD without it. This thing is the object snap. So complete the video to know what is the object snap and what its purpose is. And please, before starting, support me by clicking the subscribe button and like this video. So let's get started. In the screen you can see these lines. If you watch the previous videos you will know how to draw them. So I'm going to activate the command line. And if I put the pointer into the lines, you can see these green symbols there. These symbols are from the object snap and they help me to draw with precision. For example, this square specifies a limit point of this line. If I click here, the start point of the new line will be precisely from the corner, like we can see here. Now I will show you what happens when I have the object snap off. So I will try to draw a line from this corner. And now if I zoom in, you can see that there is a gap. So without object snap, you can draw with precision. Now I'm going to show you how to choose the object snap point. You have to type OSNAP and click enter to open the setting, or you can click here with the right button and choose object snap setting. Here I can activate the mode that I need. In the next part I will show you how to use some of them. So that is all. Thanks for your watching and expect the next video.